I forgot these were up there, 40,000 pieces, give or take 6 years in an attic. For the longest time, I thought art was my passion. Then I realized it wasn't art, it was learning itself. Pencil sketch, 3D origami, expandable paper sculpture, pastel work, digital art, stippling, building a furniture, electronics, blockchain development, teaching stock market. Even in art, I never stuck to one thing. I always had to try something new. So I stopped fighting it. I'm Bharath Gowda. Every skill I learn and prove earns me a badge. One person, every skill, no finish line. No formal training, no perfect plans, just honest documentation. This is the Curiosity Project. Let's learn something new. Last week, batch Origamist, level 1, Swan, Dog and a Pegasus. Flat origami, 1 sheet each. Today, level 2, 3D modular origami. Completely different skill, completely different world. If you are new here, stick around. If you have been following, you know what's coming. Level 1 was flat origami, 1 sheet, 1 piece. The logic is linear. Fold follows fold. You can see where it's going. 3D modular origami is different. You're not folding one sheet, you're folding hundreds, sometimes thousands of identical triangular units. Each one takes around 30 seconds. They mean nothing individually. The assembly is where it becomes something. This is one unit. This is what hundreds look like. When I started preparing for this video, I went looking for paper. I found something else. These are from my Chitra Santhe years. I was doing my bachelor's. I used to exhibit there, sell DIY origami kits, take commissions for portraits. 4 sacks, I counted roughly somewhere around 40,000 units. Still perfect, 6-7 years in an attic and the folds are still clean. I made all these by hand, one at a time. I don't remember it feeling like work. Chitra Santhe is an art fair in Bengaluru, one of the biggest in India. My first year, I didn't know you had to register. I just showed up with my pieces on a corrugated board. My brother Pankaj was there, my friends Arjun, JK, Trishul were there. They carried everything, stood there the whole day selling while I had to leave early. They sold out. Next year, I registered, had a proper setup. Geeta and Mithun joined, and then every year after that, same crew, same setup, different pieces. 40,000 pieces in 4 sacks. That's not just my work. That's what it looks like when the right people are always in your corner. For level 2, the piece is a macaw bird. A macaw is one of the most recognizable 3D origami bird. Layered wings, long-tailed feathers, body built from hundreds of interlocking units. The folding I can do fast. Muscle memory after years of this. Every unit takes about 30 seconds. The macaw needs roughly around 800 units. I'm using units which I already have for most of it. I have enough. The folding is meditative. You stop thinking after first 100 units. Your hands know what to do. The assembly is where decision happens. Angle, tension, how tight the units lock together. Too loose and it collapses, too tight and you can't add the next layer. 1 hour, 40 minutes. This is what 3D modular origami becomes. Not one sheet, not one fold, hundreds of decisions that only make sense when you see the whole thing. Level 1 and level 2, same material, same hands, different logic entirely. 40,000 pieces in an attic taught me something today. Skills don't expire. Everything I built during those Chitra Santhe years, the late nights, the units folded one at a time, the people who showed up and helped carry things, none of that disappeared. It was just waiting. Level 2 done. Level 3 is next week, and if you think 40,000 pieces in an attic was something, you are not ready. This is the Curiosity Project. I'm Bharath Gowda. I learn anything I want, earn a badge when I prove it, and document every step publicly. If that's something you want to follow, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.